Здравствуйте, привет, and hello. Welcome to another video about learning the Russian language. In our last video, we did a review of all of the knowledge that we've learned so far. In this one, we're going to learn a few more nouns. So far, we've learned some nouns in our alphabet video and then our family members and food videos. Now we're going to learn some regular household objects, things people usually have in their house and very common nouns, good to know. So all of these nouns are going to be male unless I specify otherwise. So the first one is a telephone, telefon. Almost exactly like it is in English, telefon. But most people these days don't use a home phone, they use a cell phone, and that is going to be мобильник or мобильный телефон, which is mobile phone, but мобильник for short. Next, we have a computer. Again, almost exactly like English computer, computer. And телевизор, or television, televizor. Alright, so those are all male nouns, and they are almost the same as English except for мобильник. Next, we're going to look at some furniture. So there's chair, which is stool. And then there's table or desk, which is stol. So try not to mix those up. Stool and stol. Okay, after that is our first female noun, and it is кровать, which means bed. Кровать. And notice that it's an exception to the rule. It doesn't end in a, but it is still female. Then there's couch, which is divan. Wall, which is стена, and also female. And floor, which is pol. And then we have another female noun that doesn't end in a, that is dверь. That means door, dверь. And finally, a car is машина, and it is female. You can also say автомобиль, which is male, but that means automobile, and it's not as commonly used. Машина is what most people say when they say car. And you can think of the word machine, because it also means machine. But when people don't specify what kind of machine, it's usually a car. Машина. Alright, so let's do some practice. Just identify the object in the picture. So, что это means what's this? Это, and the first one, это телевизор. It's a TV. Next one, это стул. And then at the bottom, это машина. Alright, let's look at the right. Что это? Это стол, мобильник и дверь. Alrighty, a bit more practice. Что это? Это телефон, кровать и компьютер. And then on the right, что это? Это диван, стена и пол. Alright, let's look at some sample sentences. Let's practice translating these. So the first one, he has a big TV. How would you say that in Russian? У него большой телевизор. Next, she has a small bed. У нее маленькая кровать. We have a dark blue car. У нас синяя машина. And finally, I have white walls. У меня белые стены. So all of those nouns that you just learned, they're very easy to pluralize. Just add an E or an I at the end. So they're all regular. And I just said that. Except there's one exception, and that is stool, chair becomes stulya, chairs. So all of the others, though, just a regular I or E ending. Alrighty, let's learn some more household objects. The first one is a pen, and it is ruchka, which is female. Ruchka. Next is pencil, karandash. That's male. Karandash. Then we have bumaga, also female, and that is paper. Bumaga. And at the bottom, kniga or knižka. Both of those mean book. So kniga or knižka. And then on the right, we have polka, which means shelf. Polka. And then we have a clock or a watch. That is часы. Часы, and it is plural. It literally means hours. Час is an hour. Часы are hours. So, clock or watch. And then, so we know how to say cats, it's kot, but what about all those dog lovers? Dog is собака, and it is female. And then finally, we know how to say house. House is dom, but many people live in an apartment, and that is kvartira. Kvartira. And that is female. All right. Let's practice. Oh, and all of those pluralize in a regular way with an U or E ending. So, let's translate these sentences. I want a pen. So remember, we're going to put pen in the accusative case. I want a pen. Я хочу ручку. They have pencils. У них есть карандаши. Do you have paper? У тебя есть бумага? Where is my book? Где моя книжка? Or где моя книга? Where is her shelf? Где ее полка? Okay. A few more nouns. Now we're going to learn about people. So these are some common nouns about people that aren't necessarily your family members. First is друг, and that means friend. It is a male noun, but it can refer to a friend of any gender. But then you have the word подруга, and that only refers to female friends. Okay, so you have друг and подруга. Next is человек. Человек. It is a male noun and it means person. After that we have женщина. That means woman. Женщина. женщина. And finally, mужчина. It means man. And notice that the ch is pronounced like a sh here. Mужчина. Actually, more like a sh. Mужчина. And it means man. So now we're going to look at how to pluralize these. Some of these are regular, but some are not. And the first one is not regular. Друзья. It means friends. But then, if you're saying female friends, подруги. So that one is a regular pluralization. Человек, it's like a completely different word. To say people is люди. That is people. It is a completely different word from person. But then woman and man pluralize in a regular way. So женщины and мужчины. So the ones to pay attention to are друзья and люди. Those are very irregular. Okay, let's do some practice. Let's translate. These are my friends. How would you say that? Это мои друзья. My doctor is a woman. Мой врач – женщина. Your doctor is a man. Ваш врач – мужчина. Anna is her friend. Анна – ее подруга. They are good people. Они хорошие люди. Okay, let's do some more practice. How would you say, my son wants a friend? So remember, friend would be in the accusative case. So it would be, мой сын хочет друга. Next, do you have a big bed? And you is in the informal in this case. У тебя есть большая кровать? Or you could say у тебя большая кровать, since we're using an adjective. Next, she has good female friends. У нее хорошие подруги. You are a bad person. Ты плохой человек. And finally, I have a cell phone. У меня есть мобильник. Great job for making it this far. That's it for the basic Russian nouns. So rewatch this video, memorize these new words, commit them to your memory, and next time we will move on to the next topic. For now, remember to like the video if you enjoyed it, hit subscribe, and leave me a comment, even if it's just to say hi. I post new videos every week, and that's it for this time. I think next time we will be learning a new verb. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back next time. Bye!